Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a complete house in SketchUp. This will be a very basic house model, but I will try to show you all the things that you want to make a 3D drawing in SketchUp. So the first thing we want to do is import 2D drawing into SketchUp. Usually when we build a house, we get floor plan from the architecture or some other guys. Sometimes we don't get anything, but here we will consider a situation if we get any 2D drawing. So the first thing is we need to open our 2D drawing. This is my 2D drawing. You can see that. So we need to check what is the unit scale here. So we type units and we check the insertion scale is millimeters. And the other thing we need to do with this 2D drawing is we need to put some dimensions. Okay, the reason is after we import this 2D drawing into SketchUp, we need to check whether the sizes are okay. So we will close this drawing and we will open the SketchUp for 2021. So after we open the SketchUp, we will need to select a template. So usually we are working with metric units. So I select meters. If you are working with American units, then you can use this inches template. So there are so many template types, and here you can see the uh, you, you can see your previous works, and if you want, you can open one of them. But here I'm going to use a new file. So I'm opening it now. So this is the SketchUp interface, and you will see that take a little bit time to load. Okay, after that I have added some of the add-ons to this SketchUp, but initially we will not you will not be able to see this one, especially some icons for V-Ray render and some icon for this plant library like that. But the other things will be same as mine. So the first thing you need to know is how to control this interface. Okay, if you need to move this interface, you have to press shift key and the middle scroll button and move the mouse here and there. Then you can see that you you can change the position of the interface. Okay, if you want to rotate it like here, then just press the uh, scroll button and change just move it. Okay, then you can change the direction, like you can rotate the interface. Okay, the other thing is you if you need to zoom in and zoom out like this, then just scroll middle scroll button. Okay, so now we will see how to to import our 2D drawing. Okay, we need to get that 2D drawing and just drag and drop into the interface. Okay, now a new page will pop up and it will ask about the units, and this is the only thing you need to worry about, and other should be as it is, and press OK. Okay, it will load into your project. Now you will be able to see your 2D drawing has been imported into your SketchUp model. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we need to check whether the dimensions are okay. So I'm going to check it with this dimension. Okay, so I'm going to check it. It's 6108. Okay, then I'm going to check it here, and we can use this tape measure tool. Okay, just press it here and go along this one and press it here. 6.11, that means very near to this one. Okay, the reason why we got 6.11 is here we are using meters as scale, meters as dimension type in SketchUp. So we need to change that one. we need to get millimeters. So we will go to Windows Model Info. Okay, in here we got the format as decimal and length as meters. We will change that one into millimeters. Okay, close on. Then we will measure that again. You can see that 6108.7. It's same as your 2D drawing, same as our 2D drawing. So everything is okay. So we now we know that our drawing uh, is according to the 2D drawing units. Now we are going to make the walls. Okay, for that we are going to use the rectangle icon, and we, we just need to uh, click on one corner, and we are going to place on the click on the other corner like this. Very simple. So in a case it is not important to hear, but in a case if you wanted to draw something in a different uh, different level, different plane, then you need to the only thing you need to do is press arrow icons on the keyboard. Okay, if you uh, press the left arrow key, it will go up. Okay, if you press the right arrow key, it will go along this plane. Okay, if you press the up arrow key, it will go along this plane like that. Okay, I will draw only the exterior of this house. Okay, I'm not going to draw interior and all, because it's the same procedure. You know, there is nothing much about that, and I'm going to do this very fast as I can. Okay, okay, I have drawn all the exterior walls. Okay, now we need to remove these parts. Okay, for that we go to uh, eraser button, and we need to erase all these things. Okay, the reason is we need to make a single wall, then we can just push it up very easily. If you delete something in a wrong way, then just press Control Z to get it back. Okay, oh, I got it wrong. No need to about here. Here sometimes can't find. Okay, got it. So the next thing we need to do is get push and pull button. Okay, just click on this one and press Control. Okay, why we need to press Control is to make a separate plane while we are pushing it up. Okay, for example, if we didn't if here you can see that we are taking. Okay, before that we need to do something. That means this is in this plane is in wrong direction. Okay, if you see that this is kind of a bluish color and this one is white, that means you need to reverse the faces. Okay, just select this one and right click, then reverse faces. Okay, then it will come to the uh, right side, and here also you like that, reverse faces. Here we got another plane, just click, right click, reverse face. Here reverse face, right click, reverse face. reverse reverse face. Okay, all the faces are reversed now. They are in the accurate direction now. Everything is white. Now the other side will be a bluish. Okay, now we need to get this push and pull button and select. Now first select the portion that you are going to push and pull. So then select the push button, then go it along the way that you want. Okay, I'll show you what's happening here. That means if you go from the downside, if you take a look at, you realize that there is no the plane is going with these two walls. Okay, but if you want to keep the bottom plane also, then you need to press control like this. Now you can see that the plane, there is two planes. Okay, if you press control again, it will lose. Okay, again it will come. Okay, now it will go up while after press, and now you have to enter the exact height that you want as your wall height. So just press the just type your height. Okay, like 3000. Now you can see that in the right bottom corner, the, under the distance button, it has come to 3000. Okay, now it's 30,000. Okay, one backspace, it's 3000 now, and enter. So all the walls come as 3000 height walls. Okay, just then again press and go up, and you don't need to press control again, because now you can see that when you with your push and pull button, there is a plus icon. That means there is no need of pressing the control again. If you wanted to check it again from the bottom side, you will see that there is another face here. Okay, this one same here, but here there is no plus icon, so you need to press plus. Okay, again there's no plus, press plus, and after you go down, you'll here. Okay, I will again press plus, press control, and it will here same. Okay, here you will see that there is a gap, and you can fill that one by clicking on this plane and dragging it into here. Okay, and this, if you see that this is ugly, then go to take the erase button, uh, just erase those two lines. Okay. Here we got some kind of problem. Is that there's a gap, so you need to match it. Okay, we came here. Now you can click like that. Here also we'll check. No problem at all. Just delete this one. If you want, you can keep those lines. Okay, it's not a problem at all. Okay, now I will show you. Uh, Here I will only show you the basic things. Okay, here I will show you how to make a door. Okay, you can make the windows also in the same way. Okay guys, the next thing is we will see how to make a door. Okay, you will be able to make windows also as like this. Okay, the same way, same technique. Okay, the first thing is we need to find out where the doors are. You know, according to 2D drawings, here there is a door. Okay, so we need to get the right sizes for that. So we get the tape measurement tool again. We select this edge. Okay, this is the line that we are going to cover, and we press on that line, and we come along the face, and you will see that after we clearly we, after we zoom a little bit close, and then just click on this line. Okay, the thing that we are doing here is we are making some reference lines. Okay, the same thing for the other side, along this way and the edge, hit press again. So we got reference lines um, for our two sides of the door. So we need to take the reference lines for the height also. So we need to click on this line and we go up. Okay, while we go up, you will see that there's length tab and the length will be changing. Okay, it's 1955 now. We need to 2100 height, so we just need to press the number on keyboard. Okay, 2100, like that, and press enter. Okay, now we got our all our reference lines. Okay, then go to the rectangle tab, go here, and okay, we are snapping the wrong place. Okay, if you are going in wrong direction, you see that here our direction is wrong. That's why you can't see the lines here. So in a case like that, you just need you just need to press the arrow keys and keep it in a single plane, like that. Okay, then uh, select this one and take this move button. Okay, after that, just press in a corner of the of that rectangular part and press the control button to get a copy. Okay, after you get a copy, roll on this one and place it here by clicking. Now we have this rectangle. Also here we got a rectangle, so we need to make a hole here to place our door. So for that we got push pull tool and click on this plane, and after you press it to inside, and you will see that offset limit to like that. Okay, on face here you can see that on face. After you see that on face, just click. Okay, that will make a hole. You can see that there's a hole now. Now you need to make your door as you want. Okay, so here also this is blue part, so you need to reverse face. Now we will make you first. We need to delete these lines. Okay, it's very ugly to have and it's very difficult when we got them. So then same way we use tape measurement tool, press inside and press the amount that we want. We want 75 for inside, press enter again. 75 downside, press enter. 75 from this side. Okay, now we are going to use our line uh, icon, and this just draw by using these snap icons. Okay, so this is our frame and we know our panel. Our panel will be sometimes a little bit sometimes something with a glass center. Okay, we need to make a glass. For that we can use this offset button. Okay, just press on, just hover over your mouse on the face of this one and just click and like this. Now you have to type the amount that you want as offset. Okay, I want 125, just 125. You can see that in the right bottom corner it's changing. Okay, now it fix and press enter. That's it. Okay, now we need to push and pull those the door frame and everything. So before that I will add materials because it's easy to add materials in this stage. So I will add this. Okay, I will show you how to add materials in this section. We got in this one default tray, we got material. We need to go here and press materials icon. Then here you need some add some material to this plane, and you will need to add another material to the panel, and you will need to add glass for the center panel. You will see there are a lot of materials in SketchUp. Usually I use this. Okay, now we need to go here We need to add those materials to both side. If you want to match the materials, just press this icon here in the material tab, and take this material and put it to the other side. Again, press this icon, take this material, put it to the other side, like that. Just place this material, put it to the other side. Okay, now we can just click on the face that we want to push pull, then push it as you want, and type the amount you want. I want here 100, and just enter. Here we want okay, I did something bad. Control C to go back. While we are push pull, I forgot to press control. Here you can see that what will happen if we forgot to press control. So we need to press we need to make a new face. So for that we need to press control. Okay, okay, now with this plus sign we are making a new face, and we need to press enter the distance. Just press 100 and enter. Okay, the same way, now the plus sign icon is visible, so there is no need of pressing control. And for this one I will put 50. Okay, for the glass I will put 5 millimeters. So press enter, 5 millimeter. So this is our door. Okay, this is just a basic shape. If you want to make some complete complex shapes, then you can model them. Okay, the procedure is same. Okay. uh, so we can delete these two, and this one also. So we need to select the whole door. Okay, for that we go to here and select. uh, while we are selecting, there is a while we select the objects in SketchUp, there is a method. Okay, if we select like this from left side to right side, then it will select only the object uh, that is fully uh, inside of this rectangle. Okay, like this. If you select if you select like this, only the object that completely inside of this rectangle. Okay, but if you are selecting it in the other way, that means from right side to left side, it will select anything touches this rectangle. So just keep it in mind. Okay, we will select the whole door and just press right click, and you can make this as a component or make this as a group. Okay, usually I use make group icon. The difference is if you make this component, and you can add this one to so many places. Okay, for example, you can add the same door to two or four places, sorry, 3 or 4 places. And after you change the component, all these six all these two or sorry all these 3 or 4 doors will be changed. But if you make it group, it will not like that. It will be just a group. Okay, so I will make this one as group. Okay, now it's group. What is the advantage of making group is now you can select by just pressing just single press. You can select the whole item, and you can change the position as like this. Okay, you need to press it here like this. Okay, now our door is fixed. This is the way of making a door. And windows also, windows are also making the same way. So I believe that you get and some idea about how to make a door and walls. And the next important thing is how to make a roof. So I will show you how to make a roof also. For now I will hide this one. Just select on the 2D drawing and press right click and make hiding. Okay, now we have this some basic shape, and just delete this item. You can make windows and everything as the same way I make this door, made this door. So the next thing we want to do is making our roof. So usually roof will go in some kind of a different plane. So we need to get some reference line for that also, like we did for the door. So the first thing we need to do is we need to make some reference line like this. Okay, I'm just going to make only a part of the roof. Okay, only this part. Like this part. I will need to get this one. Press this like this. Okay. Now select this reference line and get the rotate button. Okay. Now you see that when I try to place this rotate button here, it goes along different planes. Okay. So we need to keep this one in a single plane by pressing the arrow keys. Okay. We press the left arrow key, it will come to this plane. Okay, press on the edge and then press on a plane or on a line somewhere, then press, and now you can see that our uh, reference line is rotating along this plane. And if you press control, it will make a copy. Okay, after that you will see that here the angle is changing in the right bottom corner. You can press some angle. Okay, you can just type some angle. Okay, if I want to make it 30, just press 30. Okay, now it's 30. The 30 means from here, sorry, from here this line to that line. Okay, so I think the 30 is not enough, so go back, control C, just I will do it again. Select the reference line, go to rotate button, press the left arrow key, press on the initial point, then presses along, press in a line, press in a point along the line, and then control to make a copy, and I will make that angle as 60. Okay, 60. That mean roof angle will be 30. Okay, you know, if this one is 60, this part is 30 between the wall top and the this angle line, between this angle line. So we need to do that for the other side also. Make a reference line. Yeah, I'm not going to make any copies. I'm just going to rotate this one. Okay, select this one, go rotate button. What the go need to press left arrow key, see, press the point and point on along the line and just make it and press 60, then enter. Okay, now we got our basic shape of this roof part. Just delete this one, these are not useful anymore to us. Okay, always try to keep a minimum number of reference lines and just use the line command. Okay, now you will see that you got that shape, and press this one and push and pull. I need to press. Okay, we are pushing it from the reverse side, so there is no need of pressing control. You'll see that. Okay, again uh, we need to get the thickness of the wall. The thickness of the wall we will set it as 100. Okay, so click on this reference line and then go along this one. You will see that this one can go along any plane. Okay, this greens mean it goes along this line. You need to go it up, so you need to press some arrow keys and try to check whether in which plane we should go. Okay, so now we are going upward and we need to press 100. You will see that the distance between this one is 100. The same way for the other side. Press one of the arrow keys. This one. This one. Press 100. Okay. Now we need to get our line, and we need to get some out about 300 millimeters outside the wall. Then need to go upward. Okay, you can use the reference lines. Again 300. Okay, this one. So we got the basic shape of the roof. Now we need to click in this plane and just push and pull it until here. Okay, we need to get it outside. Just press Ctrl and enter the number you want to get it outside of the wall. Amount you want. Okay, here the same. Press and enter 600. Now this is how usually we get the basic roof shape. So we need to do the same for the other side. I'll do that also. I will do it fast. I will not explain everything. Okay. Okay guys, now just push and pull this one until it comes here. Okay, now you will see that the roof are intersecting now, and we need to fix that. First we will need to delete those reference lines. Okay, now everything. Now then select our whole model, just right click, intersect faces with model. Okay, now you will see that all the faces become separate. See, now delete your unnecessary lines. So here we got some kind of problem. This face should be other side. Reverse face. You can delete this one also, and it will make a single. Yeah, also this one's also okay. Whatever, you can fix them later, and you will see that this one is not, this part is not needed, so we can just select this one, and we need to delete the lines, okay, of oh, 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 I did it wrong. Just select and delete this one, delete this one. This one, this one. Oh, wait. Oh, selected the wrong one. Again, delete this one, delete this line. Okay, you can see that there are so many wrong lines here. You can fix it like that. Here, the same way. Wait, I'm selecting something wrong. Okay, yeah, we got this plane also, and this plane. Oh, okay, did the wrong, like that. Yes, like that. You need to fix the problems. Okay, I think I have done something wrong here. What's that? Oh, previously I have deleted the wrong face. Need to go back, pressing Ctrl C. Okay, like that. Again, select the whole line and intersect faces with model. Okay, now again we will do like in the beginning. This one. I will delete the major one first, then we will be able to find out what are the items, the small ones, like here. So now it's okay. Yeah, we got it right now. Likewise, like that, we can delete all the unnecessary lines. You can use the erase tab. See, got problem sometimes. Okay, just see whether you are selecting the right the lines before you delete, otherwise it will delete wrong planes, complete planes. Okay, so that's how we get the basic shape of the of a house. Okay, in the next video I will explain you how to get the how to make the other shapes. Okay, here our face is again this reverse face, like that. Okay, this is the way that we can get the basic shape. Okay, I think you got some idea for beginner. I will show you the rest in another video. Thank you.